All right, look at A and B. Can't we write that out as a linear inequality?
Yeah.
Wait, which one?
These two.
Yeah.
Linear equality.
It's like
Just need a
0, 0.
refreshment.
Inequality less than greater than. That's what an inequality is. So it's something in between some ranges, right? Okay, so if I'm going to go graph this out, what's my y-intercept in this problem?
Which one are we
-2.
We're focused on this one. Yes, -2. So write -2, please.
So we're not doing a do now.
You'll do the do now when we get through. No, I'm lecturing. I'm lecturing. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Okay, what's my rise and run?
1x. Do
Right. How do we write it?
Down 1x.
Just as x, right? Okay, so write x. Question. This is an inequality. What is it?
Oh, greater than. No.
And,
Greater than.
and that's it?
Yep.
Yes. Greater than?
Y.
Y. Very good. You need to be able to do this. Pretty easy though, right?
On B.
Go to your b first, and then see what your rise and run is, and that's what you put in front of the x, right? Equals y. Any questions? Let me see thumbs up or down, please. Okay, let's do it one more time. So we were going to go graph this out. We'd start with the b, right? Y equals mx plus b.
It's third.
So what is my b?
-2.
-2. So I write -2 for my b. Now, my x in this case, I'm going to go from this b, I'm going to see what the rise and run is. Up 1 over 1. We just write it as x, correct? Yes, we just write it as x. Then, as far as us telling whether it's greater than or less than, if it's shaded up, what is it?
Greater than.
Yeah, y.
Because it's greater.
Right, right. These numbers are positive. These numbers are negative, right? So shading down would be less than, correct? Okay, someone tell me the difference between the dashed line and the solid line.
The
Dash
dash
is
line
solid.
is equal. I mean, that dash line is just like.
Greater than
yeah,
or less than?
Less than.
Okay, so what's a solid line?
Equal to.
Equal to, yes. Just remember, it's the same thing as the number line. You know when you do your open circles versus your shaded in circles, your filled in one? It's the same thing, okay? So if this is less than or greater than and equal to, the little line's underneath there, the line's solid. If there's no little line, it's dashed. Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see thumbs up or down, please. Which part? Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're done with this one, right? Okay, you guys tell me the next one. What's my B?
It's
Let me help. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what type of 5 is it?
positive.
Very good. Right plus. Is it always x?
Yeah.
Yes, always x. What's my rise and run in this case?
Negative x over 1.
Or,
Negative
or, it could be either or, right?
Oh, it is.
Now I have a question. So if this were down 2 and over 1, we just write it as -2, right? So if it's -2 or it's +2, aren't they the same? One is going the other way, one is going one way, and one is going the other, right? Okay, so which one do you guys want to use? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, 2. What's my symbol now?
Less than. Or
Less than.
or equal
Good. And what's the last thing?
to Y.
Are we done?
Yes.
We're done. That's it. You love those ones, huh?
Not really.
You
Wait,
should.
next one?
They're easy. Lizette, ask.
Everything.
B?
Yeah.
Rise and run. Okay. Up 2 over 1.
Uh-huh.
So it's just 2 because we just drop a 1. It's like imaginary. We always have to have at least a run of 1.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we write the slope. Less than. It's going down. Equal to. It's a solid line. Shaded down. We're done.
Okay.
This represents this. This represents this. Okay? So in your do now, exactly the same thing, right? Look on your notes. See this one? I forgot to shade it down. Please shade it down. On your handout, please. Okay. You're going to write those as linear inequalities. Okay? The same thing that we just did right here. All right, I have a question. Look at C. There's 2 things I need to know about this. Very good. That's one. What's my second one? What's going on with that thing right there?
Point.
Very good. Very good. There's no ordered pair, and it's not in slope form. Okay? So the very first thing we're going to write is we're going to write sub 0, 0. Okay? So write that, please. Sub 0, 0. We're going to substitute 0, 0 within this after we get it linear. Okay? So now we're going to get it linear. We're going to go ahead and rewrite it. X minus y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, what do I need to do?
Subtract X.
Yep. Let's do that. Subtract x from both sides. Now I have a quick question. Make sure you bring down that negative. It's part of the problem. Is this a positive 0 or a negative 0?
Positive.
Does it matter?
No, there's no such thing as positive or negative zeros.
That's correct. It's just 0. But this isn't linear. It doesn't matter, right? It absolutely doesn't matter. So let's just put plus 0 because it's plus in the formula, right? So plus 0. You're going to see it's not going to matter at the end of the day. Okay, are we done?
No.
Nope. What else do I need to do?
Divide by negative 1.
Yes, there's matzah. There's an imaginary 1 in front of here. We cannot have a negative y. Not possible. This means multiply, so we're going to divide by negative 1. We're going to divide this all by negative 1. This is going to cancel out. This becomes y. Our symbol, negative divided by negative is what?
Positive.
Okay, what happens here? Okay, do me a favor. Everyone, calculator. 0 divided by 1. Tell me what the answer is. 0 divided by 1.
It's 1.
0 divided by 1.
0.
Very good. Anything divided by 0 is 0. What if this was a 1 up here,
It'll be 1.
and this were 0 down here?
Oh, it'll be 0.
That wouldn't happen. If there was a 1 here, we wouldn't be dividing by 0. There'd be no reason why we would ever divide by 0 in a variable. It just wouldn't happen.
So what, it will say error or what?
Correct. Because if the number is first, and we divide by 0, it's undefined.
Error.
You'll get a little e on your calculator. Okay, so none of this really matters. So we can leave this alone. Is this in slope form?
Yeah.
This is in slope form. Now I have a quick question. What's my b if I don't have a b?
0.
Very good. So, put a dot at b. What is my rise and my run?
1 over 1.
Very good. Is my line solid or dashed?
Solid.
Good. What direction is it being shaded?
Up.
Are we done?
Yes.
No.
Oh, wait.
We
Why
need
not?
to substitute 0, 0 because we don't have an ordered pair. Do we have any math in this?
No.
We don't. Right? There's no math in there. But we need to plot that out, don't we? Someone say yes.
Yeah.
Is this solution? Okay, write it. 0, 0 is a solution. Okay, let me see thumbs up or down on this.
I missed yesterday.
Do I need to go through it one more time? Okay, all right, good. All right. No ordered pair, slope form, substitute 0, 0. That's just like this one and this one. Okay? All right, last one. We have an ordered pair. Is this linear?
Yes.
This is linear. So we're going to take this and write this. Y is greater than 4x plus 7. Draw a line underneath it.
Wait, what's going on? What?
Just take this and rewrite it, put a line underneath it. Correct.
Mister, I have a question real quick.
Go for it.
Back then, I remember when I was doing Algebra 1, instead of just doing the little dots like fully in, you'll just do a little circle. You got me? Instead of doing the dotted lines. You get what I mean?
I do get what you mean. However, when we're doing linear, it means the line is straight.
Oh.
And whether it's dashed or whether it's solid determines greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So that's,
So it's not the little circle no more? Or the little...
no, that's only on a number line. So if we're doing,
okay.
right, if we're doing a number line, and let's say we're 5, 0, and negative 5. And let's say it was 5 is greater than negative 5, right?
It'll be-
So we would be solid circle, and we would
No.
go that direction, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because this direction is greater than, numbers increasing, this direction is less than.
So we're going to have problems on number lines and graphs?
No, not really. Not really. I do this to help you guys with negatives.
Okay. So
Like-
on the notes that we took, why would you put the number line?
Because when we talk about this,
Uh-huh.
I have to make sure you know the symbols. Okay?
Oh,
So
okay.
3 is less than 6. So looking at the number line, why is 3 less than 6? Open circle, going to the left-hand side.
Okay.
Okay? So just kind of like scaffolding it.
Isn't it pointing in the same direction as the greater or less than
Very excellent point. Acosta says it's pointing in the direction that's going, greater than or less than.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
very good. Okay, so we want to do substitution now, right? So label your x, label your y, and let's go ahead and put this in. So my y is 7, symbol, 4. What do I do with the x?
Put it in parentheses.
Very good.
0.
Okay, what is 4 times 0?
0.
Plus 7? I need to do this because the symbol looks the same. Was that all I did? I multiplied these, which was 0,
Okay, okay.
and then I brought it down, and then I brought the 7, and now I'm going to solve. So it's 7. That looks weird. All right, so we're going to go graph this out now. Where do I need to start on this? Patricia, help me out with this. Where do I start on this? I want to graph the line out. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what's my rise and run?
Up 1.
Up
4.
4.
4.
Okay, is my line solid or dashed?
Dash.
Dashed? Okay, that's a bad dash. And then what direction is it being shaded, Oscar?
Wait, it's up 4 what? Over 1?
Yes. What direction is it shaded?
Yeah,
Yes, why?
because 7 is greater than 7. Is that
Symbol's greater than, right?
Is that 7?
Yeah, that's why I put little things on it, because it looks like the same thing, right? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about it. Okay, so greater goes what direction? Okay, so this is shaded in, right?
Yes.
Okay, now, we already took care of this, right?
Yeah.
Now we got to graph this ordered pair. Okay? So my ordered pair is 0 and 7, right? So how do I plot that out?
You put 0 on 7 y.
Is this a solution?
Yes.
It is. So last step, 0, 7 is a solution. Okay, Brittany, let's talk about that for a minute.
So we what?
Normally, when we're going to graph, if it's on the line, that means it's in the shaded area.
But what if we graph it on the number line?
Okay, let's talk about that.
Is it the same thing?
It'll be.
This is why I'm glad we're talking about this.
It'll be right there, the little dot, and
just
it's
the
going that way.
But would it?
It's just a symbol.
Yes.
Okay, this is why I want to talk about it. Say the words. 7.
Greater than 7.
Okay, can 7 be greater than 7?
So it's 7
No,
and then
it's
equal
no.
to.
Right. So that would be correct, right?
Mhm.
Correct. Can it be less than?
No.
Can 7 be less than 7?
No.
Sure it can.
Wait,
No.
can
Sure
7
can.
be
No.
less than 7?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, because if it's a negative.
It's because it's an inequality. That means
Oh,
it fits
never mind.
within a range, right? So that means 7 can be anything less than 7. It can't be anything greater than 7. If it's greater than 7, it's not true.
So 6 then? 6.
Think about money.
greater
If you have
than-
$7 in your pocket, okay, can you have more than $7?
Yes. Oh, no.
No.
Okay, can you have less than 7?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
you see that?
Okay.
But for this point, if it graphs and it's in the line and it's in the shaded area, it's a solution. Okay? Brittany, good? Okay, so these ones are just like D. These ones are just like C. Here, you want to write these out as linear. 7 questions. One more thing. Someone tell me about this right here, please.
Oh, I forgot that one already.
No, just tell me what I said.
That's
It's gonna be on the
it has
test.
Thank you.
so
Bingo.
undefined.
It's going to be on the test.
Or I don't know.
Okay? That's going to be on the test. Is that same question going to be on the test?
Yes.
That same question is going to be on the test. So that one right there is going to be on the test.
Exactly the same?
Yes, exactly the same.
Can I get my phone and take a picture?
There's notes in the back for that. So if you're getting ready for the test and you're feeling pretty good about this, great. If you're not, what is it that you can do? Or
Lecture.
yeah, go watch the lecture. Okay, go watch this one. We did 2 days of prep. That's on there, doing problems. Okay, they're 7 minutes, 10, 11 minutes.
You record the class?
Yes, sir.
Like, turn
No, but
around.
does it show us though?
Turn around.
Sure.
Turn around real quick.
So I'm seeing that?
Yeah,
Okay,
look.
get your do now done. Make sure that you have your notes out or done. Excuse me.